We're going to sit in what's called easy posture, which is sitting cross-legged, and we'll have our hands on the knees. We're going to inhale with sips of the mouth, like a little bird beak. We're just going to sip, 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 sip until we're really full. And then we're going to hold the breath. And as we hold the breath, and we're gently holding here, we're going to churn. So you're going to churn for a little bit one way, and then you're going to churn the other way. So you're going to stretch, holding the breath out as much as you can without feeling a strain, or when you let go, gasping. You'll stop the churning, sit still, and you'll long, slow, deep breath out the nose, all right? This takes a lot of concentration, so take your time, because we're only going to do this 3 times. It's that powerful. And it's just going to really stimulate your digestive system in a way that it sparks that inner fire. Here we go. So we want to fill the lungs completely and empty them completely. Keep going. We have 2 more times. If you want to pause in between the second one and the last one or the third one and just breathe a little bit, this is extremely powerful. When you're ready, you can start your 3rd and final cycle. It's helpful when you're at the top of the breath to press your tongue to the roof of the mouth too. It seals everything up in as you're churning, so nothing leaks out. Let's try that too in this last one. When you've completed your 3rd round, just sit quietly. You can release your hands from the knees if you like. Just observing. Give yourself that space in which to just sit still. Eyes are closed, just relaxed. Focusing on feeling how the shift of energy and activation of your digestive system has really come online. So noticing the navel point, the energy around your sex organs, the sacrum, and your root chakra, which is in the perineum, the tip of the spine. Just observe those 3 centers. These are your earthly elements, your lower triangle. It's an inverted triangle with the point of the triangle pointing downward. Just observe the energy here. There is a sun energy that is around the navel point. Good. Nice. Inhale and exhale.